Hello and namaste everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Abhi on GS. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So it is Sunday, 4th of May. Basically, I had two options to sleep, snooze the alarm and sleep, or to wake up and go for a short spin. Now, of course, being a rider, most of us can relate to this. We will definitely choose going for a beautiful ride and chasing the sunrise. So here we are. We're going for a short spin today, and the location that we're going today is Panchet. So Panchet is around 50 kilometers from here, from my place. You already see riders. What a great thing. So yeah, Panchet is around 50 kilometers from here, and it's going to be a very short ride, more or less a breakfast ride, we can say. I'm not going alone. I have my brother with me, who has gone a little aage to fuel up his bike, and also to pick up his friend. So he'll be waiting for me there. And rest apart, everything is great. We are running a little late today for some reason because I woke up at 5, but then just kept snoozing the alarm for some reason, and then I woke up at 5:15 or 20, and then I also woke up my brother and said that चल भाई चलते हैं, राइड करके आते एक बढ़िया सी short ride. See, that's the best thing, right? Because you choose to do something. If you want to sleep, you can sleep, but then that one thing which triggers you to wake up and go is to have the feeling of enjoying the morning, Sunday morning to be precise, and that feeling is just amazing. I think I will also need to fuel up because it's showing 126 kilometers for me. I forgot to fuel up my bike yesterday, so we'll do that today. That's fine. I mean, this was a sudden plan, so we cannot do a lot of preparations for that. See, these kind of rickshaw walas, no, they just don't look left and right. They just want to bump into someone, That's crazy, and that's exactly the same everywhere. Okay, it's not even in Pune or some other location, but same everywhere. I don't know what's up with these rickshawalas. Anyways, we have my brother here, Adi, and his friend Sufia, and we'll be heading to Panchet today, as I mentioned before. We'll just quickly put up the map and begin our ride. So we're gonna quickly fill out the bike and head for our destination. Look at this beautiful sunrise, guys. It's amazing. See, that's what I was talking about, the beauty of the sunrise. It looks absolutely amazing. So we have just quickly filled up our bikes, and now we're heading to our destination. Alright, I know we are super late, and the sky is already lit up so much, and there's also a bit of traffic on the road. People have started to come out of their houses, but it's okay yaar. See, that's something which I highlighted in the beginning of the video, right? कि दो ऑप्शंस होते हैं, एक तो आप सो जाओ या फिर उठकर राइड पे आ जाओ. एंड संडे पे राइड पे जाना इट्स अ रिचुअल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ बाइकर्स. We really enjoy that. So क्यों नहीं? That's the thing. Usually मेरे साथ क्या होता है, I'm a night owl और मैं जल्दी उठ नहीं पाता हूँ. But राइड के टाइम पे पता नहीं कैसे, I am pretty sure most of the people who ride bike will be able to relate to me. राइड के टाइम पे पता नहीं कैसे आँख खुल जाती है एंड यू ऑटोमेटिकली वेकअप। बोले ये 4 बजे उठना है, 5 बजे उठना है, आप उठ जाते हो। जो डेस्टिनेशन पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं ना, दैट इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डेस्टिनेशन और वो पुणे के बहुत पास में है। So if you guys live around here in Pune, it's a perfect getaway for Sunday, you know, for a small picnic or something like that. If you want to, you know, enjoy a day out with your family or your friends, you can definitely head to that location. It offers some good, you know, view, a lake view, and there are a lot of scenic routes. We've already started to see some riders, and we will definitely catch up a few of them ahead, I guess. Alright, we have officially entered the Khadakwasla route, and as you can see, the view is just absolutely beautiful. So we'll stop here for a quick break. We'll have some tea and then we'll continue our ride. Alright, so we just had a cup of tea with some beautiful view right here at Khadakwasla. There's one thing which I saw. There was a rider who was doing wheelies over here. Now can you imagine the kind of risk this road has, because there are a lot of people who are coming here to, you know, have some peaceful time, and this idiot was doing a wheelie right there, and he was not even wearing proper safety gears. Okay, तो खुद तो हार्म कर रहा है अपने आप को, बट बाकी लोगों की जान भी जोखिम में डाल रहा है फॉर नो रीज़न. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइज, इफ़ यू राइडिंग अ बाइक एंड you know, you should definitely make sure that you are all safe. Wear a proper riding gear, wear a proper helmet. Don't buy that shitty helmet which costs, you know, around 500 or 350,000, whatever. Get a good helmet. See, that's going to ultimately save your life, right? So it's important to have all the safety gears, but then see, I know that not a lot of people can afford to, you know, have all the safety gears, but that's fine, right? You can at least get some basic gears. Okay, having a helmet is a must if you're riding a bike, and at least don't do these kind of acts, you know, where there is a lot of crowd. So we've left the city behind and we have started to see the mountains already, and the sun is also up high. For some reason the weather is not that hot right now. It's decent, it's pleasant. It's not that hot, it's not that cold, it's in somewhere in middle. So the best time to come these kind of locations is definitely the monsoon season, where you see a lot of lush greenery around and the roads also become very beautiful. See, Maharashtra has a lot of beautiful places to visit. Monsoon season में तो ना, like इतना beautiful हो जाता है, it's like heaven. We are definitely going to do a lot of rides in monsoon, guys. We will be coming up with some beautiful videos. We'll capture some good memories. Look at those mountains, beautiful. So technically this is my first vlog with a proper setup, because last time हम लोग गए थे राइड पर, बट उस टाइम पे मेरा माइक सेटअप नहीं हुआ था. So we have tested the mic and we have set up the mic right now. I hope the audio quality is coming good. So yeah, this is my first ever vlog proper vlog with some talking. हम लोग जब ऐसे विलेज एरियाज में आते हैं ना गाइस, देन वी राइड विद ऑल द राइडिंग गियर्स विद आवर बिग बाइक्स एंड देन वी काइंड ऑफ डू सैडलिंग एंड ऑल. तो उस टाइम पे ना लोग ऐसे आपको घूर घूर के देखते हैं एज इफ कौन से प्लैनेट से आए ये बंदा, व्हाट द हेल इज ही अप टू, ऐसे देखते हैं हमें, एकदम चौंक जाते हैं वो, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, राइट. So we have reached Panchet right now, and now we are heading to this proper location जहाँ पर ये बोटिंग वगैरह होता है, and then there is this view, lake view. So as you can see, the dam right in front of me. Like not to go in too much of history, but I'll just let you know कि ये जो डैम है ये 1950s के टाइम पे बना था, एंड जो बैक वाटर का जो भी वाटर सप्लाई है वो पुणे सिटी में जाता है यहाँ से. द व्यू इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट देन व्हाट वी सॉ इन द मानसून सीजन. ऑफ कोर्स एवरीथिंग वाज ग्रीन, and the roads are beautiful. Right now it's all dried up, so सूख गया है, but ठीक है, that's fine. Now that we are not enjoying the ride, of course we are, definitely we are enjoying our ride. The roads are good, the view is amazing. What else do you need? Okay, what do we have here? It's a Panchet resort. Okay, it's a good place, yeah. It's a quite nice, relaxed place where you can spend some time with your friends or your loved ones. I can see the view from here. See, there are a lot of hidden places, where you're not aware about those. So I think if you go from here, there are a lot of resorts and everything, like there is some activity and all that going on. So we'll go here and check. 20 रुपए. हाँ. So we have reached to this place. We already see a couple of bikers over here. So we will also park a bike right here. अभी हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट करके हो गया है, सो वी जस्ट हैड ब्रेकफास्ट राइट देयर विद सम ब्यूटीफुल व्यू टू द लेक. और अभी हम लोग और जगह एक्सप्लोर करने का सोच रहे हैं, थोड़ा लेक के पास जाने का, सो दैट वी कैन एंजॉय दैट एज वेल. this place is super crowded for some reason. There is a beautiful view right here, but then yeah, the place is super crowded. You can see that people are also doing camping and stuff, but then yeah, that's the thing, right? Place is just filled with a lot of people. It's a very peaceful place, guys. There is this beautiful water flowing. Yeah, it's very crowded. उधर जाने का मन भी नहीं कर रहा नीचे.